In today's video, I'm going to teach you Metafields Shopify tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to the right place in your Shopify admin to work with Metafield definitions for your products. Metafields are the extra, structured bits of information that let you go beyond Shopify's default fields. Think of things like product care instructions, technical specifications, ingredient lists, or custom badges. They power more precise content and can be surfaced in themes and apps once defined. First, open your Shopify admin in your web browser and sign in so you're looking at the dashboard. If you aren't already there, head to the home view so you can access the admin search easily. At the top of the admin, click into the search bar. This built-in search is the fastest way to jump directly to settings you need without digging through menus. Start typing Metafield definitions, or simply Metafields. You should see a result that points to Metafield definitions under settings, often nested within custom data. Click Metafield definitions when it appears. This takes you to the central place where Shopify organizes all Metafields by resource type. On the Metafield definitions screen, you'll see categories like products, variants, collections, and more. For this tutorial, we're focusing on products. Click Products to open the area dedicated to product metafields. Depending on your view, you may click Products again to drill into the full list for that resource, so continue until you're looking at the Product Metafield Definitions page. From here, you're in the right spot to manage how additional product data is structured across your store. A few quick tips to guide your work on this page. Decide on clear, human-readable names that make sense to your team. Choose the correct content type for each field, such as text, number, file, or reference, so your data stays clean, and plan consistent namespaces and keys so they're easy to reference in your theme and apps later. Remember, metafields don't automatically display on your storefront. You'll typically connect them in your theme using dynamic sources or have an app read them, so accuracy and consistency at the definition level really pay off. To recap, you opened your Shopify admin, navigated to the home dashboard, used the search to find Metafield definitions, and then drilled into products. That's the exact path you'll use anytime you want to manage product-level metafields. If search doesn't show what you expect, double-check your spelling, or ensure you have the right permissions for store settings. That's it. You've reached the product metafield definitions area, and you're ready to organize the